Welcome to TerraShock, where we dive into the raw power of the planet. Today, we bring you the most horrific natural disasters ever captured on film. Viewer discretion is advised, because what you're about to witness is nature at its most unforgiving. Take a look at this CCTV footage showing a powerful tornado tearing through the front porch in Vero Beach. July 2024. A devastating flash flood swept through a residential area in Kyrgyzstan, leaving destruction in its wake. Take a look at this footage of a dangerous rock slide that occurred in China in 2023. This house in Himachal Pradesh, India, collapses under the force of heavy rainfall. This landslide happened in Vietnam. In Sirajganj, Bangladesh, rising floodwaters slowly pull houses into the river, collapsing their structures under the immense force.
Habis.
Take a look at this CCTV footage capturing the powerful earthquake that struck Nepal in 2015.
Sinh petrol pump chak lấy minin pump chia này hiền
Sao vậy cô? Bà đây cô. Bà cô. Guys, ako kayong down guys. Tara guys. Hi mga guys. Ako kayong down guys. Muna siya guys.
Watch how rapidly this flood rises. There's no underestimating the power of Mother Nature. See the ground cracking and shifting, a result of the powerful earthquake that struck Japan a few years ago, leaving widespread destruction to buildings and roads. A violent tornado sweeps across a rural road, twisting and tearing through the landscape with immense power. Powerful hailstorm pounding Munich, creating a terrifying scene. This bridge was swept away by a powerful flash flood in Pakistan. A devastating flood swept through the town of Montebello, carrying entire houses with it. This terrifying lava slowly creeps closer to the house, burning everything in its path. This iconic volcano erupted in 2018 on Krakatoa, unleashing a dramatic display of natural power. This building collapsed during the 7.8 magnitude earthquake that struck Turkey. The house camera captured this terrifying tornado in action. This landslide occurred during heavy rainfall in China.
Follow! Follow!
The boat was destroyed by the massive wave, leaving it shattered in the water. As the earthquake strikes, the swimming pool shakes violently, and these two people lose their balance due to the waves, desperately gripping the edge to regain their stability. This storm is so powerful that it's causing widespread destruction. The size of this hailstone, nature's icy fury in full display. A security camera captured a tornado tearing through the bank. This house is swept away by the relentless floodwaters. as helpless onlookers watch in despair. For tuning in. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more exciting content. See you next time.